Hello CIS scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at your home. I'm Nidhi Verma, CIS educator, and today I'm going to start the new chapter, that is chapter 2, which is temperature zones. So let's start. In this video, I'm going to discuss three things. First is weather, what is weather? Second, climate, what is climate? And third, what are the factors that affects climate? But before understanding all these terms, let's read this. Preksha's summer vacations will begin in May. She and her family are planning to visit Ooty. They would be traveling from Delhi to Tamil Nadu. Her mother reminded her to pack a couple of light jackets as the climate in the Ooty would be cooler than Delhi. Preksha wondered how the climate of the Ooty could be pleasant in May when it was so hot in Delhi. Well, I think the same question would be arises when you had visited to any place during your summer and winter vacation. So have you ever thought all these questions that why different places in the world have different type of climate? Why people who are living in Tamil Nadu do not wear woolen clothes in winter? Why it is so cool in Srinagar but not so cold in Surat at the same time? Well, the answer is this is all because of climate and the factors which affects the climate. And do you know that the life of the people, their food habits, their clothes and the belonging also affects by it the climate. So let's study more about this climate. Look at this picture. What this picture describes? It shows two weather. One is sunny, other is rainy. We generally used to say, wow, what a pleasant weather today. Or we can also say some other way. Like we can say that I'm hoping for a good weather today. Or we can say that yesterday I got stuck due to bad weather. So this is all the example of weather. So what is weather? Weather is the condition of the atmosphere over a short period. It is temporary and change frequently. See this picture? Now there are certain weather conditions like sunny, rainy, cloudy, partially cloudy, etc. So here you can see that the weather would be temporary. It can be changed within an hour, within a day or within a second also. Now what is climate? See the pictures. Now there is a picture of a desert. What it shows? It shows that the desert has a hot climate, or we can also say in the other picture we can see that there is a cold climate. So what is climate? Climate is the average weather of a place over a period of many years. And how many years? Generally 30 years and more. For example, we can say that many parts of Africa have harsh climate, or we can also say that the places which are nearer to equator has hot climate. So, is there any factors also which affect climate? Yes, there are many factors. Now let's see what are the factors. These factors are altitude, that is height above the sea level. Then latitude, which means distance from the equator. Next, distance from the sea, that is places which are situated close or far away from the sea. Next, humidity. Humidity also affects the climate. It is the amount of moisture in the air. And last, wind, which blow from sea toward land. So these are the various factors which affects the climate. I hope that through this video you understand the basic difference between weather and climate, and you understand what are the factors which affects the climate. Now in my next video we will discuss all these factors in detail. By the time, stay at your home, Stay safe and enjoy the learning. Thank you.